Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add emojis on title on Google Sites. So first if you want to open Google Sites, after opening it, I'm just going to create a blank site here. So for adding an emoji to the title, here you can see the page title and I'm just going to type here something. And for adding emoji to this, here on the top you can see menu options, and here is an option you can see here emoji. Click on that, and from here you can just choose the emoji that you wanted. Then you can see that you had been added emoji to the title on Google Sites. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.